Melissa McLean. I'll be singing If I Loved You from Carousel by Rogers. When I worked in the mill, weaving at the loom, I gazed absent-minded at the roof, and half the time the shadow tangled in the threads, and the warp kept mixed with the woof. If I loved you, but somehow I can see just exactly how I'd be. If I loved you, time and again I would try to say all I'd want you to know. If I loved you, words would come in an easy way, round in circles I'd go, longing to tell you